All right, let's dive into something pretty fascinating today. What if I told you that you could start making money online right now with zero experience and just one AI tool? It sounds a little wild, right? Well, our source material for this explainer lays out a whole blueprint for how to do exactly that. So let's see what it's all about. Source AI Wellforge kicks things off with this really powerful idea. They're basically saying that those old barriers to entry for making money online, they're gone. The whole promise of needing no skills, no experience is, a pretty bold claim, and it all boils down to one single piece of technology. And what is that one tool? Well, according to the source, it is, of course, ChatGPT. It's really positioned as the engine that's going to power every single strategy we're about to go through. The whole model here, the whole idea, relies on using this one platform to its fullest. Okay, so first up is probably the most obvious and direct way to use this tech: content writing. Now, the main idea here isn't just about churning out any old content. It's about creating genuinely high-quality stuff for businesses and doing it at a speed that would have been unthinkable just a few years ago. That combination of quality and, lightning fast efficiency, that's the real advantage here. And believe me, the demand for this is absolutely massive. Businesses are constantly desperate for fresh blog posts, catchy social media captions, and engaging emails to keep their customers interested. The argument here is that AI lets a single person, you, meet that constant demand all by yourself. So you've got this new skill of creating amazing content. What's the next logical step? Well, according to our source, you've got to package it. And that brings us right to method number 2, AI-powered freelancing. Think of it like this: if content writing is the skill, then freelancing is the business. The whole strategy is to get yourself on platforms where clients are already looking for writers, and then you use ChatGPT as your secret weapon to deliver awesome work way faster than anyone else. And the kinds of services you can offer are all over the place. I mean, you could be writing video scripts for YouTubers, killer product descriptions that make people want to buy, or even professional email campaigns for businesses. The list goes on. So just to be super clear on the difference here, content rating is the what. It's the thing you're actually creating. Freelancing is the how. It's the way you package and sell that skill as a professional service. One is the product, the other is the storefront. Okay, now let's switch gears a bit. We're moving away from just the written word and into the world of video with our third method. The source calls it YouTube automation, and it's a way to create video content on a whole new level. The process they lay out is kind of like a 3-step assembly line. First, you use ChatGPT to generate the script. Then you feed that script into other AI tools that handle the voiceover and visuals. And the final step? You just publish it. You can build an entire channel using this highly automated process. It's pretty wild. And this is a huge claim from the source material. It's not just presented as some interesting idea, but as one of the hottest, fastest growing ways to actually make money on the internet right now. They're really high on this one. All right, our fourth strategy is a really big shift in thinking. Instead of trading your time for money like you do with a service, this method is all about building an asset that you can sell over and over again. Let's talk about digital products. This is where we get into that magic phrase, passive income. The idea is you use ChatGPT to do all the heavy lifting upfront, writing an ebook or a detailed guide. But once it's made, that's it. You can sell it again and again without any extra work. And the process is pretty straightforward. You find something people need, use AI to create a solution for it, like an ebook or a pack of useful templates, and then you just put it up for sale. The goal is simple: create it once, sell it forever. And that brings us to the fifth and final method our source points to. It's an old school online classic, but now it's got a brand new AI-powered engine: affiliate marketing. So the concept here is really simple. You're basically a salesperson who earns a commission, but instead of cold calling, your sales tool is content. You use ChatGPT to create awesome content that just happens to promote another company's product. So here's how it works. Step 1, you whip up a product review or a helpful blog post. Step 2, you pop your special, unique affiliate link into that content. And step 3, when somebody reads your article, clicks that link, and buys the product, you get a cut. It's a classic business model, now totally supercharged with AI. So the big takeaway: The thing that ties all five of these methods together is this. The source is arguing that ChatGPT isn't just a cool toy. It's a seriously powerful tool for building a real online income, especially as we look ahead to 2026. The message is pretty clear. Get started now, and you can build something real. And all of this leaves us with one last, really important question to think about. In all of these methods, the AI is handling the how. It's doing the writing, the creating. So if that part becomes automated, what's left for us humans to do? Well, it seems like the most valuable skills are going to be things like creativity, big picture strategy, and just spotting the next big opportunity. It's definitely something to chew on.